In this tutorial I will show you how you can check your Twitter account impressions. Now if you're wondering if your Twitter account is getting a lot of views or impressions, how it is trending over time. Now, let's open up the Twitter or the X app here. And you have two different options. One is you can tap on your profile at the top left, and then tap on profile here. Now, on any of your tweets, let's just scroll down to one of my tweets. I can tap on the right of the heart where those 4 lines are. I can tap on that, and it will show me the number of impressions that this specific post or tweet got. You can see 8 impressions for this specific one. Now, I can go through all of my tweets and see that information, but if I wanted a wide impression, so basically, how many impressions my entire account is getting over time. Is it trending up or down, followers over time, all that. To get all that information, you have to subscribe to the X or the Twitter Premium. So I can tap on Premium here, and you can see basically it's not included in the basic. At the very bottom, Analytics has a little lock icon. But if I swipe over to Premium or Premium Plus, then it is included. So, all you have to do is hit the start at $11, and it will charge you $11 to be able to get all of that analytics. Now, if you do that, you can just go back here, and you'll be able to see a premium menu in this kind of submenu here, and it will show you your analytics. You will be able to see your account-wide impressions as well as a lot of other information, including how your followers are trending, gaining followers, losing followers, demographics. All of that stuff. I hope this helps.